If you have an Apple Watch and you're using Strava, but you're still recording your runs from your phone, you're leaving a lot on the table. Your Apple Watch can track your runs, monitor your heart rate, and sync everything to Strava automatically, all without your phone in your pocket. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up from scratch, step by step. By the end of this video, your Apple Watch and Strava will be fully connected and ready to go. Let's get into it. Before we get into the setup, let's make sure you have everything you need. First, your Apple Watch needs to be Series 3 or later, running watchOS 8 or higher. Most Apple Watches from the last few years are compatible, so you're likely already good to go. Second, you need the Strava app installed on your iPhone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the App Store, search for Strava, and install it. Third, make sure you're logged into your Strava account on your iPhone before you start. The Apple Watch app connects through your iPhone, so your iPhone needs to be set up first. You can check all of this on the Strava support page at support.strava.com. Just search for Apple Watch and you'll find the full compatibility list. Now let's get the Strava app onto your Apple Watch. On your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app. It's the app with the watch icon that comes pre-installed on every iPhone. Tap My Watch at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see the list of available apps. Find Strava in the list and tap Install. The app will download and install on your Apple Watch automatically. Once it's installed, open the Strava app on your Apple Watch. The first time you open it, you'll be prompted to authorize permissions for health and motion and fitness data. Follow the prompts and allow all permissions. This is what lets Strava read your heart rate and movement data from the watch. Now let's connect Apple Health to Strava so your workouts sync automatically. On your iPhone, open the Strava app. Tap the U tab at the bottom and tap the settings icon at the top right. Under Services, tap Health. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. Tap Connect on the next screen. You'll be taken to the Apple Health Access page. Here you can control exactly what data Strava can read and write. Make sure Workouts is enabled. This is required for any syncing to work at all. Tap Allow at the top right to confirm. Strava is now connected to Apple Health. From this point on, any workout you record on your Apple Watch will automatically sync to your Strava profile. Now let's look at how to actually record a run using your Apple Watch. On your Apple Watch, open the Strava app. You'll see a list of sport types. Tap Running for an outdoor run. A 3-second countdown will start, and then Strava begins recording. During your run, you'll see your current time, your heart rate in the bottom right corner, and your pace updating in real time. If you want to pause, swipe right and tap the pause button. When you're done, swipe right and tap Finish. Tap Save, and the activity will sync to your Strava account automatically when your watch connects to your iPhone or a Wi-Fi network. You'll get a notification on your phone when the sync is complete. That's all there is to it. Here are a few tips to get the most out of using Strava with your Apple Watch. First, enable heart rate permissions. If you don't see your heart rate on the recording screen, reopen the Strava app on your Apple Watch and follow the prompt to allow Strava to access your heart rate data from Apple Health. Once enabled, your heart rate shows in the bottom right corner of the screen the whole time you run. Second, turn on auto pause. During a recording, swipe right and tap Settings. Enable auto pause so Strava automatically stops the clock when you stop moving. Useful when crossing roads or stopping at traffic lights. Third, use audio cues. In the same settings menu during a recording, you can enable audio cues so you hear updates on your distance and pace through your AirPods or headphones as you run. And fourth, check unsynced activities. If a workout doesn't appear on Strava after your run, open the Strava app on your Apple Watch, go to Settings, and tap Unsynced. Any workouts that didn't upload will be listed there, and you can sync them manually. And that's everything you need to connect your Apple Watch to Strava and get more from every run. Install the app on your watch, connect Apple Health, and from that point on, everything records and syncs automatically. Your heart rate, your pace, your route, all tracked from your wrist without touching your phone. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Strava tips just like this one.